S1. Real life.
Man, it's like I'm in a rapture. Sometimes I feel like I'm captured, like a raptor took me up on his back. But that doesn't matter, cause it's money that I'm after. Man, I'm going after everything, even your bladder. Homie, I'm just joking, but I need a new baker to bake my dough. That's because I don't bake my own no more. When life is like Neo, because it's in slow-mo sometimes. But I still come with dumb rhymes, and I like to have fun, so it's fun lines. And I swear to God, sometimes it's crunch time in the freaking lunch line, yeah, it's munch time. And it's really hard, man, but we still gon' do it cause we hard, man. Yeah, man, yeah, we stars, and this is how we do it, man, cause we own.
We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay. We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay.
Like I'm caught up in the rapture, can't make cake without batter. Got the whole West craving, but no actors. And you can't chin check us, cause we shooting on set like directors. And you can't understand this classic, we some beasts, you can call us Jurassic. Getting more paper than a printer, inside no splinter. Now be creeping on the sale like a splinter. Man, I don't care about nobody, but my house so big that it got a lobby. And y'all be sitting on the ground, watch me mop. And I be going so hard that I'm not sloppy. No sloppy Joe, but I get sloppy dough. And you don't understand my crazy sloppy flow. I'm on deck kinda like a pirate, and I'm chilling in the sky, man. Watch me go by, man.
We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay. We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay. We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay. We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay. We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay. We just trying to do it real life. Alright. Okay.